Welcome children. Today in our English class we are going to learn a new sound, that is double S sound words. The sound is
Snakes hiss, babies fuss, bats and moths, chess and miss.
Now we are going to read some words related to the double S sound. The sound comes from double S is S. Do you know how snake makes his sound, children? So let's read these words. Say yes, yes as in dress. So today now you open my English reader page number 30 and listen carefully how I am pronouncing these words. TOSS toss, BOSS boss, LOSS loss, CROSS cross. Children, while reading you also hold the pencil and read all the double S sound words. Children, do you know what is meant by toss? TOS is toss. With the help of coin, we can toss. Isn't it, children? Before playing any game, we can do toss. Whether who will play first, we can toss like this. Okay? Next, you can see here a picture. Glass. Here are few words: PASS pass, CLASS class, GLASS glass. What do you do with glass, children? We drink water, we can drink milk, isn't it? Next picture, can you see? What picture is this? BRASS brass. This is a musical instrument. We can play music. Next word, GRASS grass. We can see outside grass in the garden. What is the color? Grass is green in color. Next picture, can you see what is this? This is a game. We play in our house, in school. What is the game, children? CHESS, chess. Again, here are few words. LESS, less. Less means some. MESS, mess. Mess means what, children? When we play in our house, we throw the toys here and there. Can you see, children, in our house? Toys, clothes. How dirty it looks when we throw here and there. It looks like a mess. So we should keep our house neat. Okay, children. Again, next words. KISS, kiss. MISS, miss. Can you listen the sound of sound, children? HISS, hiss. DRESS, dress. Children, you like to wear your dresses, no, children? Frock, shirt, pant. Next word, PRESS, press. Press means what? We can press anything with the finger, switch or any button. Yes or no, children? Yes. Next, you can see a picture here. Children, do you think this is a horse? No, it is donkey. You know donkey, children? So the other name of donkey is also we can call it as ass. ASS, ass. Next word, FUSS, fuss. Next, GUESS, guess. Children, anyone asks any question, we can guess the answer. Whether it is correct or not, first we can guess it. Next word, BLESS, bless. on your birthday or any occasion, your grandmother, your mother, father, teacher will bless you, no children? God bless you. They'll say the wishes. Did you listen, children? Yes. So in this way you have to pronounce these words, S sound words, double S sound words. Once again you read all these words in the My English Reader. Okay children? Children, we will do small exercise in the practice book. Please open your practice book, page number 28. Write date today's. Can you see here the lesson, the puss in the class? See each picture and select a word from the help box that names the picture. Can you see here there are few pictures? Using this help box you can choose the correct word for given picture. Okay children, shall we start? Open your pen, take out your pencil children. First picture, can you say what is the word? Grass, grass. Write neatly in cursive handwriting. Spell the word while writing. Next word, can you guess? Yes, it is a dress. Dress, dress. Next you can see a girl kiss the doll. Yes, Kiss, kiss. Children, what is next picture? Can you see a teacher, students? What is that? CLASS, class. Next you can see a picture. Yes, this is a game, chess game. CHESS, chess. You see carefully the spelling and write children. Next I said already, no children? It is a musical instrument. BRASS, brass. Next you can see children, this is like a mess. See how all toys are thrown here and there. What is the word? MESS, mess. Next, can you see which animal is this? Donkey. What is another name of donkey? ASS, ass. So in this way you try to complete neatly in the page number 28. Okay. Next we will learn rhyming words of SS sound words. The rhyming words are nothing but the words that end with the same sound. MASS, mass, PASS, pass, LESS, less, MESS, mess, KISS, kiss, MISS, miss. These all words are ending with the same sound. When I am pronouncing, can you listen children? BOSS, boss, LOSS, loss, TOSS, toss. These three words are also ending with the same sound. CLASS, class, GLASS, glass, BRASS, brass, GRASS, grass, DRESS, dress, PRESS, press. These both words are also ending with the same sound. Children, in next page, second question, encircle the rhyming words from each line. The first one is done for you. Can you see here? There are few rhyming words. We have to encircle the rhyming words from each line. First one is done for you. GLASS, glass, CLASS, class. So they encircled the rhyming words. Can you guess children? In next line, what are the rhyming words? LOSS, loss, TOSS, toss. So children, in this way you try to encircle the rhyming words in each line. Next question, fill in the blanks with the given words. Here are few words you can see in the box. Class, glass, grass, dress, chess. So by using these words we have to complete the given fill in the blanks. You can see dashes. First one I will do and show you children. The children are in the class. CLASS, class. Next, can you say the answer? The dash is full of milk. What is full of milk? GLASS. Glass is full of milk. So in this way, next 3 fill the blanks you complete, children. You can select the words from the given help box here and try to complete. So today you have to read the double S sound words in the English reader and complete these 2 pages in the practice book neatly in cursive handwriting, children. Thank you. Have a good day.